How to calculate percentage in my phone calculator. The first things first is of course open up your phone calculator depending on the operating system that you're using. But on my end, I'm currently running with Android version. So there's actually a lot of multiple methods on doing or getting the percentage out of your calculator. But one way of doing this is like on this one. Say for example, you'd like to get a 5% off on a specific original price. Say for example, original price is around 524. We'll just have to multiply it by 0.05, so that will give you around 26.2. So that's going to be deducted on the original price of 524 minus 26.2. So you'll get 497.8 instead of 524. Same goes with on a different percentage. So original price multiplied by, say for example, 15% off 0.15. So that's 75. So 500 deducted by 75, the original price, you'll get 425. So that's actually one way of calculating percentage on your phone calculator.